a big white smile. Oh no, what should I do? My dear old friend, is it really true? You want my heart, that's not so kind, but I've got tricks, so never mind.
Croc's wife said, oh dear, I need a feast, now come right here. That monkey's heart, so sweet, so fine, go bring it fast, that heart is mine.
The croc replied, but he's my friend, how can I bring his life to end? His wife just frowned and shook her head.
No heart, no love, she
coldly said, oh no, what should I do? I like my friend, but I love you too. If I say no, she'll make me cry, so I'll trick the monkey, give it a try.
The croc swam back to the river's side, said, monkey friend, come take a ride.
My home is big, so nice and sweet.
Let's share some fruit, so what a treat.
The monkey smiled and jumped right on. Across the river they rode along. But halfway through the croc confessed,
my wife wants your heart, no more, no less.
Oh no, what should I do? My dear old friend, is it really true? You want my heart, that's not so kind, but I've got tricks, so never mind. The monkey laughed and shook his head.
Oh silly croc, don't be misled.
My heart's not here, it's in my tree. Take me back and you will see.
The croc believed and swam back fast, but the monkey climbed free at last. He laughed and said,
you played your part, but I won't give you my heart. I know, oh no, what should I do? A clever mind will pull you through. Think real fast, don't be blind. A little wit can save your life. The monkey said, a friend stays true, but you betrayed, so we are through. A little trick saved me today. Now, dear croc, go on your way. On your way. Little ant revving up the sound on a shiny motorbike, tearing up the ground. Wide goggles on a jacket so sleek, racing through the forest, looking unique. Winding his feelers, no time to sleep, over hills and rivers, taking that leap. Tiny engine roaring magic in the night, headlights piercing through the never-ending flight. He's breaking boundaries that no one can see, zooming past obstacles wild and free. With every turn there's a new ground to break. Life's a journey, not a piece of cake. Oh, yeah. Jumping over pebbles, dodging every leaf, heart pounding faster, disbelief. Through the meadow, chasing dreams so small, larger than life, defying them all. Hey little ant, where you gonna go? Speeding through the woods, what do you know? Courage in your chest, fire in your stride, adventures calling, ready for the ride. He's breaking boundaries that no one can see, zooming past obstacles wild and free. With every turn there's a new ground to break. Life's a journey, not a piece of cake. chest, fire in your stride. Adventures calling, ready for the ride.